on this Tesla, I'm going to show you how to repair a door handle that does not pop out like that one. Alright, so first things first, you gotta take this little piece out of there where the door handle goes. There's a 10 mil bolt right there. Then, right behind the handle, there's a plastic piece right here. Pop that loose, you'll see 2 Torx in there. I just took a trim tool, slid it underneath the door panel, and then popped it loose all the way around. Once you get that popped all the way around, you have to slide the door panel up like that. We're going to unbolt all these little Torx. Alright, so next we have to remove the window. And there is a little 10 mil clamp through this hole. The window rolled all the way up, it's right there. Don't loosen it all the way, just loosen it. And then on this side, there is a little clip, so that circle right there in the middle of the plastic, the big one down there, you have to push that with, I used a pick, and then have somebody else lift the window out for you. Alright, so next we have to unbolt the 4 10 mils that hold this assembly on. So I'll show you. So here's an example of what it looks like. Alright, so now that we have this out, we're going to swap the handle and this cover. Okay, now you unbolt this, unplug this. There's 4 bolts across here, unbolt that, slide that out, and then the handle just falls out. Alright, so I actually found the point of failure on these things. So right here, see that little guy's not supposed to be moving like that. Oh. So as you can see, we're missing the brace that goes around there. Right there. Pretty neat. So now that we have this thing all swapped over, you go ahead and install everything back in reverse order. Alright, so this part's a little annoying. There is a T40 right there where my ratchet is, and that adjusts how far out and in the handle is. And let me show you why you have to adjust that. So right here is why you need to adjust that handle. See how it's flush now? Before it was sticking out about 1/8 of an inch. So I switched tools here. I have a long bit ratchet. Got in there. Little T40 in there. Now she's flush. Look at that. She's fixed. Alright guys, super important on that Tesla door handle. So the Gen 2.0 and the 2.5 don't need programming. But if you have a Gen 3.0 like I have, it needs to get recalibrated by Tesla. Good luck.